Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I'm going to cut straight to the chase of this video because this is perhaps the most time limited video that I have ever filmed because your girl is in a rush. It is currently 10:50 on a Friday and in an hour and 10 minutes time at 12 o'clock I am leaving to go to the airport. I'm staying in an airport hotel overnight tonight because tomorrow myself and my best friend Jess are off to Slovakia and also off to Hungary for the weekend, and as of right now I have not packed a single item. So we need to speed pack together and I don't really have time to make many mistakes when I'm filming this because obviously we are limited. So I'm going to keep this very raw, very speedy, and we're going to pack together. I do have a little idea of the things that I would like to take. I also have massive piles of clean washing on the floor down here below me, so I'm hoping that I can just take bits out of that. In order to pack, I have got this suitcase. However, because it's so expensive to take little carry-ons on Ryanair flights, I only have half of it because Jess is going to fill the other half when I meet her at the airport hotel later. So this is just a normal carry-on suitcase that you take onto the plane with you. So I've got half of one of those to fill, which isn't much, let's be real. And then I also have my usual hand luggage bag, which is actually the bag that I currently use for work, which is a Carrymore backpack. So that is what I'm working with. I'm obviously hoping that the majority of my clothes can go in the case, and then my hand luggage items like my cameras, my books, all that sort of stuff can go into my backpack. In terms of the length of time that we are packing for, I obviously have to wear some clothes today and some clothes to travel in tomorrow, and then we are staying in Slovakia for Saturday and Sunday before returning home on late Monday evening. We basically get back early hours of Tuesday morning. I think first things first, let me jump down here and pick out the jumpers because I can see two jumpers here that I would like to take with me. So first up I have this jumper from Fat Face, and if you've been watching my last few videos then you'll know that I'm obsessed with this. I've been wearing it so often, so this is definitely going to come with me. I feel like it will be really cute when we're around all like the European like ready buildings and cute churches. Maybe this will be a vibe. So that can be for Saturday afternoon once we get there. And then on Sunday we're going to Budapest for the day, so I want to be comfortable but I also still want to look, you know, cute. Maybe I should wear this because I'll take my black puffer coat with me because that's got a hood on it, so if it does rain I'll be okay. I feel like this would look quite nice underneath it, maybe like I say with my black puffer coat and black jeans. Are my black skinny jeans clean? Let's have a look. Oh god, I can't see them. Are they in this pile though? Yes they are. Black skinny jeans, so that can be my Sunday fit. This black puffer coat. I need to get some t-shirts out to wear underneath my jumpers because I always do that for whatever weird reason. I know a lot of people just don't wear anything underneath, but that will be my outfit for Sunday. Let's get out some black t-shirts or maybe some white t-shirts, really whatever I've got because it's too late to be washing clothes at this point. That's one black t-shirt for Saturday and then one black t-shirt for Sunday to wear under the jumpers. And then I need to decide what I'm going to wear to travel in today, but I suppose more so travelling to the airport and on the flight tomorrow, and then also on Monday when we're coming back. So I'm thinking I'm going to go comfortable because you guys are going to be sitting on the plane for a few hours. I've got two hoodies here, one beige, one black. Maybe I'll take the black and just have a little all black moment in the airport, puffer coat, gym leggings, hoodie, you know, just so I'm nice and warm but can also remove layers if I want to. Although this is a little bit beyond its best before date. Look how bobbly this jumper is. That is awful. I've lost track of how many years I've had this, but maybe this can be its final trip with me. Okay, let me put that to the side then. So you're actually doing quite well. I'm literally 4 minutes into this and we've got an outfit for Saturday, an outfit for Sunday. I've decided on an outfit to travel in because what I'll do is I'll rewear that all black gym type outfit on tomorrow to travel in and then on Monday to travel home in. So I probably do need one extra jumper just to wear Monday daytime because then I like to get changed at the airport, especially because I don't think we're flying back till like 5 o'clock, so it's nice to have a bit of a freshen up. This is a jumper that I've got from H&M. It is very spring, but it might manifest some sunny weather. It is meant to be pretty much dry the whole time that we're there, so that's good anyway, and it's good enough for me. But I feel like that could be quite nice. Get a cute picture in it, ready for spring on my Instagram maybe. And it is a bit of a switch up from the other clothes that I've got with me. That's a potential option, but I just want to make sure that that's exactly what I want, because it doesn't really match the vibe of the other things I'm taking with me. I also quite like the idea of taking this sweater vest. I wore this to London recently with a bodysuit underneath it. Don't know if you can see, but it's quite like a chocolatey brown colour. There you go. Chocolatey brown sweater vest, again quite cable knit. That would be quite nice for a European break, and I could quite happily wear that instead of a jumper if I had a bodysuit, because I'm quite a warm person, as we all know. I feel like that's a preferable option for me. And I do have a bodysuit clean because it just fell off the hanger, didn't it? So if I take that out, I can wear that, and that would actually match my black jeans really nicely. So maybe we'll do that. I think we will do that. Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's get this off the hanger. This is so fast. I don't think I've ever packed this fast in my life. How am I just making like split-second decisions this quickly? This is just not me at all, but new year, new me. I might start putting all of this onto the bed so I can see it a little bit clearer, and I know exactly what outfits I've got for what day. Okay, it's just coming up to 11:15, and I think I've actually taken out the perfect amount of clothes. So let me run through what I've got, because I'm aware I've not really made much sense so far. So over here, I've got that black hoodie, I've got my black Nike leggings and a gym top here, which I will wear to travel in on the aeroplane tomorrow because it's just nice and comfortable. Then when I get there in the afternoon, we'll check into the hostel upon arriving, and I'll change into my black jeans, which are there, this jumper, and I just changed the black top to a white top to wear underneath, because if that shows through the collar, I think it will look slightly better. So that's what I'll wear tomorrow afternoon. On Sunday, when we go to Budapest for the day, I'll be re-wearing the black jeans. I'll also wear this jumper, which I just showed you, with a black top underneath. And then Monday daytime, before we fly home, I'll wear again the black jeans, this sweater vest that I showed you, and a bodysuit underneath, before changing back into the gym leggings and hoodie that I wore to travel in, with a new like sports top to wear on the plane home and on the coach back from the airport, just so that it's a little bit more comfortable. The only thing that I haven't yet shown you that's on this bed is my clothes for today. So I think what I'm going to do is travel in yet another workout top with a different pair of gym leggings, and then this afternoon or this evening me and Jess will have to go out and get food. So I've just got this grey v-neck like jumper that I can change into and just quickly throw on those jeans again, or wear my leggings depending on where we're going, just so that it looks, you know, a little bit more put together. So I'm going to start putting all of this in the case now, and then I need to get my pyjamas out and my underwear, and then I'll be done clothing wise, and then we need to run around and pack my hand luggage quickly. Okay, that got a little bit stressful for a minute, so I've had a shower, got myself ready, Charlie's helped me, and I think because I've sacrificed the grey jumper, this is going to be fine. So I'll close it up. It is overflowing a little bit, but that should be okay. I now just need to quickly pack my hand luggage, which I've got all of the bits out for, but so far we're just about going to make it, because it's 11:54, so we've got 6 minutes before we need to leave. Okay, so into my backpack I'm going to put my toiletries in one of these little bags, and I'm just taking the bare essentials, I think, or maybe a little bit more, but I've got a little mini Head and Shoulders shampoo, my deodorant stick that I normally use, some hand sanitizer, is that the right millilitres? 100 ml, just about. I've got a little mini perfume sample because that's good for travelling, some lip balm. I've then got some shower gel because I know they won't have any in the hostel. Also a little mini toothpaste and a little mini toothbrush. And then I've got some blister plasters just because we're doing a lot of walking and my shoes are fairly new. Oh, I've also got some moisturiser because it's going to be cold and I don't want to get dry and crusty. Some tweezers, a little packet of wipes, always just handy, aren't they? And then I've got a load of pads because you girls on her period, unfortunately, for this trip. So let's squeeze all of that into here. See if it will all go in. It should do. I've then got my book in here, and because it's only a small read I can fit another one, so I'm going to take another short book with me just in case, because we are doing a lot of travelling. I'm sure I will read a lot. I've got my passport, can't be forgetting that, And then technology wise, I'll obviously take my camera and my tripod with me, which I'm currently filming on. I've got my power bank and the charger for that. I've got my phone charger. I've got my European travel adapter. I've got my camera battery charger, which is unfortunate that it's so bulky, but I really do need this because I need to charge up whilst I'm away. And then because of the tight space in the case, for now, I'm putting my pyjama bottoms into the bag. So let me try and squeeze all of this in. Honestly, I'm such a chronic overpacker for every trip. I feel like people will watch this and be like, why is she taking so much? But in my head, I'm only just taking enough. Like, this is the bare essentials for me. I really need to get better at it because I am going hand luggage only for a trip in March. So I need to be better by then. Oh goodness. Remind me again at some point, never ever ever to leave it this late to pack for a trip, because this has been one big stress. And I think that will do. I'll buy like a little bottle of water or a Ribena bottle or something just to keep reusing throughout the trip, I'm sure, at some point. But that is my hand luggage packed, and I am exhausted and ready to flake out. I really hope that I've not forgotten anything. I'm sure you'll comment down below something that I have forgotten. But I've got my Fitbit charged, so that will be absolutely fine. Hoodies around my waist because I am warm, and I just need to get my coat on, get my shoes on and leave. So this is where I'm going to bring this video to a close. I apologise that it has been really chaotic. I can't believe I've literally packed and got myself showered and stuff and ready in an hour. But I do really hope you've enjoyed watching, and if anything, this can serve as a reminder for you if you are going on a trip some point soon to pack early. Don't leave it till last minute like myself. So if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And other than that, I'm going to be off. I'm going to flake out on the coach, and I will see you in the next video, which should be a vlog of my travel weekend, where I will let you know if I forgot anything and probably what I packed, which was completely unnecessary. So I will catch you then. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.